Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students and dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn about the calculation of price index number by using Laspayers formula and Paasches formula. First of all, we read the question. The price and quantities of three commodities during the 1997 and 2007 are given below. There are three commodities are given A, B and C. The price of 1997 and the price of 2007 are given below. And the quantities of 1997 and 2007 are given below. By using these informations, we calculate the price index number by using Laspayers formula and Paasches method. Dear friends and dear students, always remember that the previous price we denote by P0 and the current price we denote by P1. In the same way, the previous quantity we denote by Q0 and the current quantity we denote by Q1. By using these informations, we calculate the price index number by using Laspayers formula and Paasches formula. So here these columns we have posted by the question, and the next columns which are required to us for the calculation of price index number by using Laspayers formula is that P1 Q0, P0 Q0. Dear students, these columns we have required for the calculation of price index number by using Laspayers formula. As you can see that what is the formula of price index number by using Laspayers formula. For the Laspayers formula, the code is 1000. How we can apply 1000 code on the Laspayers formula? First two digits of 1000 we apply on the upper side of the Laspayers formula, 1 with P and 0 with Q, and remaining two digits of 1000 we apply on the lower side. So here you can see that sigma P1 Q0 divided by sigma P0 Q0 multiplied by 100. So here we required P1 Q0 and the total of P0 Q0 column. We generate these columns by using the informations which is given to us. How we generate the P1 Q0 column? It is very simple. So here P1 values are given. So here we apply the formula. First of all, we press the equal and select P1 metric. Multiply, here we apply the multiply sign, shift 8. You can see that P1 metric multiply with Q0 metric. So we select the Q0 metric, and after that we press the enter. So we calculate the P1 Q0 value for first metric. And after that we drag down this metric and find this column. After that we calculate the P0 Q0 column. Here we apply the formula. First of all, we select the P0 value. Here P0 value metric is given. Here we apply the multiplication sign, shift 8. After that we select the Q0 metric. We select it, and after that we press the enter and find the value. In the same way, we drag down this metric and find the column of P0 Q0. In the same way, the P1 and Q1 column we generate easily. We first of all, here we apply the formula. First of all, equal, and we select the P1 metric. P1 metric, here the P1 value given. So first we select the P1 metric. As you see that P1 multiply with Q1, so we apply here the multiplication sign, shift 8, and then we select the Q1 metric. So here the Q1 metric is exist. We select it, and after that we press the enter. So we find out the value of P1 Q1 first metric. So we drag down this metric and find the column of P1 Q1. As you know that we require the total of these columns, so we apply here the formula and find the total of these columns. So here we apply the formula of sum and calculate the total of these columns. First of all, we press the equal. After that we write sum sum bracket open, and after that we select all values of this column and close the bracket. After that we press the enter. So we calculate the total of P1 Q0 column. Dear students and dear friends, after that we drag forward this metric and find the total for each column. After that we put these values in the formula and find the price index number by using Laspayers formula. First of all, we mention the P1 Q0 value. So here we write 12,250. We divide this value by P0 Q0 column. So total of P0 Q0 column is 12,052. So here we written down 12,052 and multiply by 100. In the next step, when we divide 12,250 by 12,052, we find the value 1.01 and multiply by 100. In the next step, we find out the price index number by Laspayers formula is 101.6%. Okay. After that, we find the price index number by using the Paasches formula. Remember that what is the Paasches formula? Sigma P1 Q1 divided by sigma P0 Q1 multiplied by 100. What is the code of Paasches formula? 1110. 1110 of the Paasches code. How we can apply this code on the Paasches formula? First two digits we apply on the upper side 1 with P, 1 with Q, 11 we mention here, and 10 we mention on the lower side. How we can apply? 1 we apply with Q and 0 we apply with P. So here we put the values in these formulas and find the price index number by using Paasches formula. So on the upper side we mention the total of P1 Q1 column. Here we find out the P1 Q1 total. So we mention here 1800 740, 1800 740, and multiply it by 100 and divide it by total of P not Q1 column. So here the P not Q1 column exists. The total of P not Q1 column is 17,612. So here we write the 17,612. In the next step, when we divide 18,740 by 17,612, so we find the value 1.06, and we multiply this value by 100, and in the next step we find out the price index number by Paasches method is 106%. So dear students, in this way we calculate the price index number by using the Laspayers formula and Paasches formula. Dear students, if you have any question about this lecture, you can ask us through the comment section on the YouTube. Dear students, I will upload this slide on the community tab. You can see that. Dear friends, I am humbly requested to you, please like, share and subscribe my channel. I will always upload this kind of videos which is helpful for you. Dear friends, take care. Allah Hafiz.